In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale any image for free with Krea AI. We'll take a low-resolution picture and turn it into a crisp, high-resolution version right in your browser. Start by opening Krea. On the home screen, click Upscale and Enhance. This opens the Enhancer workspace where you'll work on your image. Click Select Asset, then choose the image you want to improve and give it a moment to load on the canvas. With the image ready, click Upscaling to access the enlargement controls. Next, open Resolution. This is where you set how large the final image should be. If you need something suitable for prints or tight crops, choose a higher resolution. For web or social media, a moderate increase keeps files smaller and processing quicker. Aim for the smallest resolution that meets your needs. Bigger isn't always better if the source is very soft. Open the prompt field. A short, accurate description helps the model understand what to preserve and enhance. Phrases like detailed landscape, clean text, or smooth skin tones work well. Keep it faithful to what's already in your photo. Prompts guide refinement, not new content. Adjust AI strength to control how assertively the model adds detail. Lower values keep the look subtle and close to the original, while higher values introduce more texture and micro detail. If your image already has good structure, a gentler setting is often best. Set resemblance to balance fidelity to the original. Keep this higher when accuracy matters, like product shots, logos, or portraits that must remain true. If you're going for a more stylized improvement, you can lower it slightly to let the model reinterpret fine detail. Tune clarity to enhance edge contrast and perceived sharpness. Increase it gradually and watch for halos or crunchy noise, especially on faces, text, and smooth gradients. Small increments usually produce the cleanest results. If you want a quick head start, open Preset and pick one that matches your image type. Presets apply sensible defaults that you can still tweak afterward, saving time while keeping control. When your settings look good, click Enhance. Krea will process the image and show the improved result at your chosen resolution. If something doesn't look right, make a small adjustment to strength, resemblance, or clarity, then run Enhance again until it feels balanced. Finally, click Download to save your upscaled image and choose a folder you'll remember. That's it. By selecting Upscale and Enhance, choosing your asset, dialing in resolution, prompt, chimed, AI strength, resemblance, clarity, and optional preset, then enhance and download, you can upscale any image for free with confidence using Krea AI.